Hello everyone, welcome to the Military Foundation channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and activate the bell. In a world where nations strive for military supremacy, the United States stands at the forefront with its groundbreaking achievement, the NGAP fighter, the pinnacle of sixth-generation fighter jets, and a staggering budget of $300 billion in US dollars. While countries like China, Russia, and even North Korea aspire to catch up, what sets the US apart is its possession of an unparalleled advanced fighter aircraft. This remarkable fighter, priced at over $300 million, has the potential to swiftly end any conflict directed at the United States before it even begins. It boasts a cutting-edge avionics suite capable of identifying targets on the farthest corners of the globe. Equipped with an armament suite that enables precise strikes on distant objectives, and a stealth suite that renders it virtually invisible, this new fighter represents an aerospace revolution that the world may not yet be fully prepared for. The NGAP program, an abbreviation for Aerospace Revolution, Next Generation Air Dominance, is tasked with developing the fighter that will ensure American air dominance for the next generation. Much like the F-22 Raptor has done for decades, the new NGAP fighter will feature a sleek aerodynamic design characterized by an elongated blended fuselage that pushes the boundaries of physics. One of the program's significant innovations lies in the development of new and advanced active electronically scanned array, AESA, radars to power the fighter's sensor suite. AESA radars offer numerous advantages over their predecessors, including the elimination of clunky moving parts, enhanced scanning speed, and the ability to track multiple targets with peak reliability. These radars also excel in sensing resolution, resilience against electronic warfare attacks, and stealth capabilities. A noteworthy departure from tradition is the replacement of the traditional radar mount with electronically configured smart skins integrated into the aircraft's fuselage. This innovation allows the AESA radar to achieve unprecedented sensor fusion by combining the functions of sensor systems, electronic warfare, and communication systems into a single multi-mode AESA radar. This simplifies upgrades, accelerates testing, and offers superior performance. The NGAP program's goal is to introduce an entire family of systems, including manned sixth-generation fighter aircraft, unmanned fighters, and more. If both manned and unmanned fighters utilize the same AESA radar family, it could lead to seamless integration and significant economies of scale, streamlining maintenance and upgrades. The stealth capabilities of the NGAP fighter are the result of various measures designed to render it nearly invisible to both human eyes and enemy radar systems. These measures include reducing radar cross-section, minimizing infrared signatures, and maintaining a near-silent acoustic profile. The fighter's radar cross-section is minimized through smooth angular surfaces that deflect radar waves, preventing reflection. Additionally, it is coated with radar-absorbent materials to further reduce radar reflections. To minimize its infrared signature, the aircraft employs advanced cooling systems and shields its engines and exhaust from direct view. Finally, The NGAD fighter is engineered for near silence, utilizing specialized engines, propellers, and noise reduction technologies. The engine currently under development in the NGAP program, Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion, offers unparalleled versatility, allowing the fighter to toggle between speed and range as needed. These engines are designed to operate efficiently across various flight conditions, making them ideal for next-generation military aircraft.